The wilderness is a dangerous place for animals, and survival primarily depends on one fundamental principle: eat, don't be eaten. This rule doesn't need much explanation, but what may be surprising is the means by which some animals achieve this. Being the strongest, the largest, or the fastest are not the only advantages which contribute to an animal's hunting or protection skills. Some animals have another, more subtle way of ensuring survival, namely camouflage, a shape or coloring that conceals them in their surroundings. So what are some examples? Leopards are able to blend with the tall grasses of the African savanna while stalking prey, such as antelope and impala, thanks to their highly distinctive spotted patterns. However, impala also have their own camouflage trick. They use counter-shading, which is a form of camouflage where the upper part of an animal's body is a darker color than the lower part. Sun shining directly onto an impala makes its belly darker and its back lighter. For predators like leopards, which see in degrees of light and shadow, the impala will seem flat and will not stand out. Countershading also occurs in marine environments. When seen from below, the light-colored belly of a reef shark or a green sea turtle blends with the lighter sky above. From above, their dark backs blend with the ocean floor below, hiding them from prey and predator respectively. Other camouflage in the sea is employed by octopuses. When threatened, an octopus tucks in its tentacles and changes color to match its surroundings. This color change is brought about by thousands of color-changing cells called chromatophores, which are found below the surface of the octopus's skin and contain different colored pigments. Octopuses can even change the texture of their skin, producing bumps and spikes to match rocks and coral. They do this by altering the size of projections on their skin called papillae. There are many other startling ways that animals can disappear into their backgrounds. The Arctic fox has a winter camouflage of a white and sometimes blue-gray coat, which blends with the snow and ice. In the summer, its coat is brown-gray to merge with summer plants and rocks. And in the insect world, the orchid mantis has the colors and the shape of an orchid flower, making it a sly and surprise predator, while the stick insect looks so much like a stick that it is totally ignored as a possible source of food. Camouflage is just another example of how extraordinary the natural world is.